So an option that not too many people know about is going to be a rooftop assembly option. So this is where, you have your laboratory exhaust fans, let's say in like a mechanical room or whatever it may be, and then you would actually duct up to the roof, and then you would have a stack and a nozzle on top of that roof. Why I'm showing you this again is just to let you know that, hey, if you ever run into a situation where, if you're working on a job that maybe requires the fan to be inside a building, that just know that you do have an option. Know that, we can accommodate to that, as can many other manufacturers out there. What I always tell people with these rooftop assemblies, or at least to be cautious on, is, these fans are in the building. So depending on what they're exhausting, it's extremely important that people are constantly checking up on these fans, because if there's a leak of some sort or whatever it may be, within the space below, that exhaust is, simply going back into, where people are. Okay. So we want to make sure that there is no leakage. We want to make sure that these fans are well maintained. But again, this is an option for you. These stacks up top are actually a curb mounted stack. They come with 125-mile-an-hour wind load ratings, again, without guide wires. Usually 10-foot minimal is what we like to see, and it goes back to NFPA 45, where no one can stick their hand or their face or whatever else over whatever's coming out of these fans.